The absolute number one question I get asked about business funding is, what's the rate, Katina? What's the rate? What's the rate? All right. So today's video is about business funding and let's just get it out the way. Rates are determined by you. It's determined by you. There is no answer I can give you about rates. It is determined by the whole picture, your profile, your credit score, your business revenue. Now, speaking of business revenue, I am specifically going to talk today to my fellow real estate professionals. All right, so let's just get right to the video. And oh, by the way, if it's your first time here, I'm Katina Willis, and I help people to make money from home in all sorts of ways. Okay, so but today we're talking about business funding for real estate. All right, so let's get to it, y'all. Now, the number one platform that I recommend for business funding for real estate is right here. It's DAC. The reason I recommend DAC is because most people I talk to, they want the funding and they want it now. They want it fast. They want it by tomorrow. So this is the fastest way to get it. Now, I want to talk to realtors because when you click that link below, right? As you can see right here on this page, it says that you are going to, or it says here that we are connected with top rated providers. We only represent transparent, top rated, quick turnaround providers. Now, let me just add a side note. The quick turnaround is unfortunately, y'all, it's not for struggling businesses. And, that's the sad part about life, period, about the world is that, if you are a business that's in a bad position already, then it's probably too late. So you want to start asking for funding if you see troubles happening down the road, or if you have a business opportunity that's in front of you that you can't say no to, but you don't want to get or even try to get funding when you're already in trouble. Okay, so that is how you get the best rate and a top provider that can fund you fast. Now, let's just talk about the pre-qualifications. All right, because I think that what I do is I talk too much about the minimum requirements. So today I want to tell you about requirements for people who want big bucks and want big bucks fast. Like if you want, let's talk about, okay, if you want a $100,000 loan, a $80,000 loan, a $60,000 loan. Say you want to fix up your rental property, but you don't want to refinance the property or, and you just need it now. You need it fast. This is the way to go, right? So we do have some revenue-based funding. So if you are already currently if your business is currently bringing in 20K a month, 30K a month, 40, 50K a month, then yes, you can quickly, by tomorrow, you can get funding ranging from $10,000 to $2 million. That's right. That's right. I said 2 million, y'all. You can get that by tomorrow. But you gotta have a strong profile. You gotta be a strong business, not a struggling. So, what about the repayment terms? So you could get qualified and get up to $2 million by tomorrow or up to $100,000 by tomorrow with repayment terms at 4 months to 24 months. All right, that's almost 2 years. So that's pretty fair for some fast funding that you get by tomorrow. Okay, so that is one type of funding. All right. And again, today I'm not talking anymore. I'm not talking to people who have low capital. Also, let me tell you too, I almost forgot, but also if you're getting 20K, 40K, 50K, 100K a month, right? If you have a business like that, you got to be in business more than 4 months. You can't be a new business or a startup, because unfortunately, there's not a lot of startup funding. That usually has to go to, you usually have to apply for that on your personal side. So let's just talk a little bit more about growing your business, okay? So what can funding do for you? All right. Imagine the possibilities when you have the right financial support at your fingertips. With funding, you can take your business to the next level, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, which is growing your business. All right. And what that means is, don't get funding if you don't have a plan. All right. You only want to ask for funding like this when you have an opportunity in front of you, when you want to expand, and you know that with this expansion, you're no longer going to be making 20, 30, 40, 50K a month. You're going to now be making 60, 70, 80, 90K a month, right? So that is what this type of funding is for. It's for opportunities. It's for growth, right? So our funding can be utilized for a wide range of purposes, including growing your business, upgrading equipment, hiring employees that are going to bring in more revenue, purchasing inventory that's going to bring in more revenue, expansion or renovations. So like I mentioned, for real estate professionals, I know a lot of realtors, okay? I know a lot of real estate investors, and they always got a project going. And so sometimes you just need that money right away. Sometimes I've ran into real estate investors who run out of money while renovating a property, and they need another 20, 30, 40, 50K for some unexpected expense during a renovation. But their net proceeds on flipping a house might be 200,000. So yeah, that's worth it. That's worth getting a fast business loan, right? So also another reason is to pay down operational costs. Okay, so, and one more thing I almost forgot too. Now, if you do want the best terms and the best rates for your business loan, you do want to have at least a 620 credit score. They do have minimum requirements, but again, y'all keep asking me about the rates. Don't keep asking about rates and you not on point yourself. All right. You got to be on point. You want the best rates, the best terms, the best loans, the most money. You have to be on point. And like I said, if you're not, then unfortunately, it might be a little struggle to get you approved quickly. Okay. So let's talk about how you apply. All right. So basically, you will click the link down below this video, right? You click the link below this video. All right. You're going to answer like couple questions, 4 to 5 questions. You provide a voided check and a driver's license, right? And then you get a decision basically in minutes. You get pre-qualified in minutes, and you get a solid offer within one business or within a couple hours. But right now of this recording, it's Friday, y'all. So yeah, if you see this video today, you might be waiting till Monday. All right. But basically, it moves really fast. Let's look at some frequently asked questions. How long will it take to receive my funds? All right. Before I get to that, I want y'all to click that like button. I forgot to ask. It helps me out. So, and drop any questions I don't answer in this video. Drop them in the comment section, because I answer each and every one. So, but how long does it take to receive funds? All right. The time it takes to receive funds can vary depending on the lender and the specifics of each application. All right. So basically, it depends too if you're getting a business loan or if you're getting a cash advance. But many providers aim to deliver funds within 24 to 48 hours. That is fire, y'all. That's fire. So that's all I have for y'all today. I hope that I answered your question about what's the terms, Katina. What are the terms? What are the rates? But yes, it depends on each individual person. These are real loans. Last month I actually helped 16 people get funded. So that's kind of big. That's almost one a month or one a day. So almost one a day. So I'd love to help some people with bigger revenue, because sometimes the people with bigger revenue, they don't believe it's true that they could get funding so fast and that they could get good terms, with fast funding. So just go ahead and apply right now below, and tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, this funding is great for salon owners, for real estate investors, for real estate agents. If you're, as long as you're bringing in 20, 30, 50K a month, then yes, you can get a really good business loan that will help you to expand and expand quickly. All right, so that's it, y'all. I don't want to ramble. I just wanted to put this video out. But hey, it's Katina Willis. Thanks for watching this video. I am going to put another video right here so that you can get more information about business funding, instant business funding. And yes, this is the company that I recommend, because I helped 16 people last month with this company, with DAC. So check the link below, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.